Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. We are out here in Bath today, picking up a post test, and we are going to take a look at the system that we installed here. This house is quite a bit larger than normal houses that we deal with, over 2,000 square feet in the lower level itself. So we decided to start with one system to see how far we can get it down before we went ahead and added any additional systems to this house. And with the single system installed, we were able to get their radon levels down from 26.2 all the way down to 1.5, which is an incredible drop for a house this size. And we're very, very pleased with these results. As you can see here, we got our pipe going into the subslab, 4-inch cord hole, back a rod around the PVC pipe, and then seal it nice and tight with silicone caulking. Running that pipe up along the side wall, you can see the manometer there showing the amount of draw that we're pulling from the fan. We use a 145 fan, so we only have about 3/4 of an inch of draw on that fan, which means that it's working really well in a house this size. And then ran it up and out the foundation wall here. We did drop this pipe off early so that the homeowners could paint it to match the siding of the house. And we'll head outside right now and take a look at that system out, see the exterior of that system. Okay guys, here we are outside the bathhouse, taking a look at the exterior part of the system. As you can see, we dropped everything off and allowed the homeowners to paint the piping to match the siding of the house here. So they did a great job painting a nice dark brown, including the fan as well. So everything matches really nicely. It's very inconspicuous when looking at it from the street view. Very hard to tell that there's any kind of system even installed. So they did a really good job with that, as well as our installation guys did a wonderful job putting everything together. You can see we run it all the way up from the fan and tees off right above that roof line. You can see through the trees right there, 12 inches above the roof line to stay state code. This system looks fantastic and got all the results that we were looking for. Thanks for checking us out. Make sure you stay tuned for more content.